Ever found yourself juggling finances, moving money between different accounts, and then suddenly, a tiny, almost imperceptible, ding of dread? That little voice whispering, "Did I just get charged for that?" Especially when it comes to investment platforms, those fees can add up, right? You're managing your portfolio, maybe shifting assets, rebalancing, or simply consolidating, and you're wondering, is this going to cost me? Today, we're diving deep into a question that's probably crossed the minds of many Questrade users. Is there a fee for transferring funds between Questrade accounts? It's a fundamental question, especially if you're actively managing your investments, and it deserves a clear, concise answer. But before we get to the nitty-gritty, let's take a moment to understand why this question matters. Imagine you have a TFSA, an RRSP, and a margin account with Questrade. You're strategically moving funds to maximize tax advantages or capitalize on market opportunities. Maybe you're transferring from your margin account to your TFSA to take advantage of that tax-free growth. Or perhaps you're consolidating funds from your RRSP into your TFSA to simplify your portfolio. These are common scenarios for active investors, and the last thing you want is to be hit with unexpected fees. Think about it. Fees erode your returns. Every dollar you pay in fees is a dollar that isn't working for you. Over time, those seemingly small fees can compound, significantly impacting your wealth. That's why understanding the fee structure of your investment platform is crucial. It allows you to make informed decisions and optimize your investment strategy. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that makes sense. But why is it so hard to find a straight answer? Well, financial platforms often have complex fee structures, and the information can be scattered across different pages or buried in lengthy terms and conditions. It's not always easy to navigate, and that's precisely why we're here today, to demystify this process and provide you with a clear, straightforward answer. Before we jump into the specific answer for Questrade, let's quickly touch on why this topic is so relevant in today's investment landscape. We're living in an era of DIY investing, where more and more people are taking control of their finances and managing their own portfolios. Platforms like Questrade have made it easier than ever to access the markets and build wealth. But with this increased access comes increased responsibility. You need to understand the ins and outs of your platform, including its fee structure. Furthermore, the rise of online brokerages has led to increased competition, which has driven down fees in many areas. However, not all fees are created equal, and some may be hidden or less transparent than others. That's why it's essential to do your research and ask the right questions. So, let's get down to brass tacks. Is there a fee for transferring funds between Questrade accounts? The short answer is, generally, no. Questrade does not typically charge fees for internal transfers between your own Questrade accounts. This includes transfers between your TFSA, RRSP, margin account, and other registered and non-registered accounts held under your name. However, and this is a crucial however, there are some nuances and exceptions to this general rule. Let's break them down. First, let's clarify what we mean by internal transfers. We're talking about moving funds between accounts that are all under your own Questrade profile. This is different from transferring funds to an external account at another financial institution, which may incur fees. Now, the exceptions. Certain account types and products. While most internal transfers are free, there might be specific instances where fees apply, especially with certain specialized account types or investment products. For example, if you're dealing with certain types of registered plans or specific investment products that have their own fee structures, there could be charges associated with transfers. Always double-check the specific terms and conditions of your accounts and investments. Currency conversions. If you're transferring funds between accounts that hold different currencies, you'll likely incur a currency conversion fee. Questrade, like most brokerages, charges a fee for converting Canadian dollars to US dollars or vice versa. This is not a transfer fee per se, but it's a cost associated with moving funds between accounts with different currencies. Administrative fees for specific requests. While basic internal transfers are free, some complex or non-standard transfer requests might incur administrative fees. For instance, if you require a manual transfer or a transfer that involves significant administrative work, Questrade may charge a fee. Outgoing transfers to external institutions. Remember, this script is about internal transfers. If you are moving money from a Questrade account to a bank or brokerage account outside of Questrade, there will be fees. Questrade charges fees for outgoing electronic fund transfers or wire transfers. Potential for changes. It's important to remember that fee structures can change. While Questrade generally doesn't charge for internal transfers, they could introduce fees in the future. Always stay up to date with Questrade's fee schedule and terms and conditions. In essence, while internal transfers between your Questrade accounts are generally free, it's crucial to be aware of the potential exceptions and nuances. By staying informed and doing your due diligence, you can avoid unexpected fees and optimize your investment strategy. Understanding the fee structure of your investment platform is a fundamental aspect of financial literacy. It empowers you to make informed decisions and take control of your financial future. And while the question of transfer fees might seem trivial, it's a testament to the importance of paying attention to the details. By understanding these nuances, you can navigate the complexities of your Questrade accounts with confidence, knowing that you're minimizing costs and maximizing your investment potential. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar earned. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.